How to turn off read receipts on WhatsApp. This guide shows you how to disable blue ticks so others can't see when you've read their messages. First, open the WhatsApp application on your Android device. After that, tap on the three dots in the top right corner to open the menu. From there, tap on Settings from the drop-down options. At this point, tap on Privacy to access privacy settings. In the next step, scroll down until you find Read Receipts. Following this, you'll see a toggle switch next to Read Receipts. Once done, tap on the toggle to turn off Read Receipts. From here, when disabled, others won't see blue ticks when you read their messages. At this stage, your messages will only show gray double ticks for delivered, not blue for read. After this, keep in mind that you also won't be able to see read receipts from others. Once completed, the setting is automatically saved. Note that read receipts in group chats will still work even if you turn this off, and voice messages will always show blue ticks when played. And that's it. If this read receipts guide helped you control your WhatsApp privacy, give it a like, subscribe for more WhatsApp tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.